Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stew with fish, full guide. Begin by prepping your fish and vegetables, chopping uniformly for even cooking. Sear aromatics briefly to release flavor, then add liquid, herbs, and spices. Simmer gently so fish stays tender while flavors meld. Taste and adjust seasoning near the end, and finish with fresh herbs or a squeeze of acid for brightness before serving. Trim and cut the fish into consistent portions, then season lightly to layer flavor. Dice onions, garlic, and peppers, and measure your broth or tomato base. Sweat the vegetables until soft, then deglaze the pan to capture fond. Add your liquid, herbs, and spices, then bring to a gentle simmer. Stir carefully when adding fish so it doesn't break apart, and monitor heat to maintain tender results. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you cook with the Owala water bottle, a leak-proof, easy-grip bottle perfect for kitchen counters and long prep sessions. It keeps drinks cold and fits most cup holders, which is great when moving between stove and sink. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by cooking aromatics and tomatoes until they release their oils and color, creating a rich base. Add broth and seasonings, then simmer slowly to concentrate flavors without over-reducing. Gently nestle fish pieces into the liquid and poach until just opaque, keeping movement minimal to preserve shape. Finish with bright elements like fresh herbs or a splash of acid to lift the stew before serving to guests or family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.